the Table Mountain is one of the new 7 wonders of nature. It's not wonders of the world. Elected by the second global voting campaign in the history of mankind, marking the beginning of 3rd millennium and celebrating nature in the universe.
From a realm, age of the plague, I'm a fester in the weed just to help him get a taste. Innocence inside of me.
This is baby taking a rest while climbing up.
An hour after climbing, we need to rest.
We're on our way to the top of the Table Mountain.
Taken by the centuries, no rifle, just souls on the battlefield fighting for a reason. No rookies, men pushing mileage, but nowadays you can lose your life for a stylist. I conjure my elements, raw core fire, disrupt your inhabitants in your own shire. I'll win my arsenic, I'll pull back fire, peak for the youths getting caught in the crossfire. Nowadays I can't even hear what you're saying. Soul space.
We are almost there, I guess, and I hope. See that? Not easy.
Let's do a power kiss. Power kiss.
We're almost there.
It wasn't that bad, my sense of direction is driving me mad. Whole fam tree now creeping on my back. What they worry about my future, but they ain't on my tracks. And the keys to the game before I break this lock. You wanna try my key, only one in a stop. Underground music, you never see me swap. I'm a low key OGG, I'm a god. I don't give a fuck, let me rhyme how I want. Ooh.
This is the top, yeah. The Table Mountain's just over here, I think.
So we can go there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We made it to the top. This is a proof.
Luputing power hug.
Types of lyrics in my memo pad fun. I go from a script to a speech translation. Off to the basement, the studio station. Some about to hit G, I want this at your speaker. Fez, you're a yard going round with your reefer. 3 years time, I'll be selling out features. Shows in the summer, maybe couple round Easter. Mind in another realm, flying like a pilot. Physical form just chained to this island. Chasing a rise like a black flag, chasing the diamonds. You can call me a tyrant. Chemicals and ashtrays, digest your poison. Venom ain't my living when I'm waiting for employment. Paranoid schizo, playing with my voices. Chemicals and ashtrays, digest your poison. Another night where I'm just writing in my basement. Now taking.
We have arrived at Table Mountain. It took us 3 hours. Table Mountain. Cable car was closed for 7 days. It will operate again on the 8th. That's why we force ourselves to trek for 3 hours.
May walang tao. This is like a ghost town because there are no cable cars today. Oh, it looks like it's open. It's locked. Oh no. Oh shucks. Try natin yung shop dun sa taas.
Pose on my sanity and patience. Nearly been a year since I've been in education. Got another year till I'm back in enslavement. But right now, I'm flying so free. May pick up a chills or just zinging out of ministry. I'm in the queue.
Huh? Oh my, it's so high. Oh, it's operating, bae. Yung may lion's head. Yun. We are now having a break after reaching the summit. This is the Table Mountain Park.
For 3 hours.
After 3 hours. She's having a lockjaw from Frozen Jaws.
To the industry, selling out is like a queue jump, so literally, but look, I understand how you made it. Been a couple years since you got a real pay slip.
Matatapos mo ba to? Parang hindi na. Ganda mo. Sorry.
Sorry.
You're on a GoPro, man.
Yeah.
Hello!
Good morning. Enjoy your trip. Good morning.
How far are we?
3/4. B, anong ginagawa mo? Wala kang magagawa, pinili niya to. B, nasa clouds na tayo. What? Cold again? Oh. B, sabi hawak ka din nag-offer ako. Kasi halfway.
Oh, halfway.
Yeah. We're in the ulap.
Sabi kaya to, hawakan ko.
Ba't mahawakan? Huwag mo na hawakan. Hindi naman kailangan malaman. Ay nako. 1, 2, 3. Ariko. Where are you now?
Has coffee.
Has coffee. Do they has coffee?
Yeah,
They has coffee. I want food. I got this big breakfast with toast, sausage, more eggs, and what's this? This is not avocado. Cheese, mushroom. I don't know what that is. Salmon and tomatoes. She got. What did you get?
Panjari?
Huh?
Panjari?
What's that made of?
Their local bread. I don't know.
Huh? I don't know. Okay, but it looks nice.
You're a sponge in the nation and skipping tax up when you adjust to inflation. So you went down that commercial road. Easy way to go for the salary growth. For me, I watch the white lines pass from my window and think, shit, would I change from a couple zeros to my bank balance? They got money coming in like it's automatic. I wouldn't change for the chart shit. I wouldn't change music for the sake of a market.